Hi, my name is Andy Novell, known as Ginge, founder of Smiling Creatives based in Siem Reap. Last year, meeting Doug and Sapal of Ocean Recovery Alliance and Bamboo Shoot Foundation. Ocean Recovery Alliance making the Inland Ocean Festival for the last 3 years based in Kampong Kleang. This year, doing 2 locations, Kampong Kleang and Kampong Kleang, in which Smiling Creatives and the team have been making many different aspects to enhance this festival that happens every year. As part of the discussion with Doug and Ocean Recovery Alliance was a study they did in Kampong Kleang and Kampong Kleang. That study being that 70 hours a day is wasted by the boatmen, in which their propellers get stuck with fishing nets, plastic waste and other things within the river. It was at a time where the program that Ocean Recovery Alliance has done in Kampong Kleang has not been integrated. So with the team going and visiting Kampong Kleang for the first time, led by Sapal, giving us a tour of what's been done, 100 eco-warriors starting there now, cleaning the environment. One thing that Sapal has been doing is actually educating the boatmen, the fishermen, to instead of putting them and burning them, is collecting them along the shoreline. And why is that?
Because right now we have the propeller project to inspire them, to educate them full of the pollution of the plastic. Before is to burn it. When there's too much waste, to get rid of the waste, the best solution is to burn. You can see the burning spot there. So from now on, today, we will give them new education. Burning plastic is not good for the health because the gas, the smoke from burning plastic is gas toxic. Also make them sick. We also will launch our education program in the school too, to understand about microplastic problem that also can pollute daily life. Yeah, from water, from fish they eat, see, from the smoke of the plastic they burn, all is not good for the health and for the environment. So from today, Kampong Kleang will have a lot of good program related to plastic pollution.
After the team and I were done interviewing and meeting some of the locals, looking at Kampong Kleang, Sapal, who's been leading us, brought us onto one of the boats. Within 3 minutes of being on this boat, heading towards Tonlé Sap Lake, the propeller was then entangled with plastic, old fishing nets and other waste materials. Seeing the boatman taking it off, having to stop the journey, lift the propeller up, take it off, it validated this study. It was a bit of a moment for the team and I when this propeller got trapped. After listening to the study, 70 hours a day is a lot of time wasted. Once the boat journey had finished, we had seen Tonlé Sap Lake, some of the beautiful nature that still exists there, talking to some of the boatmen, doing fishing and the plastic that they may have captured in the nets. Coming back into the biggest fishing village, Kampong Kleang. Sapal showing us where the Inland Ocean Festival is going to be based in Kampong Kleang, next to a beautiful giant pagoda, and in which the 5-meter sapja, giant boat propeller that the team here at Smiling Creatives has made. Once we were done at Kampong Kleang, the team and I decided to go to Kampong Kleang, one of the most famous fishing villages here in Cambodia. Upon arrival, looking at the main street of these beautiful houses, we were shocked at how well managed the waste situation was. After interviewing the young women, the seller, boatmen, people of Kampong Kleang, we quickly realized that this integration of this program greatly benefited and they appreciated the change that's happened in Kampong Kleang over the last 3 years. So for all of us, that contrast of Kampong Kleang and the situation that it's in now, and only now starting this guidance on waste management compared to Kampong Pluk, where we walked Kampong Pluk and unable to find any plastic waste on the floor. You can see the pride in what they've done over guidance and education, keeping to a system of recycling. There is a lot more pride in their homes, in their life, in their community. And now with Kampong Kleang adding to that, to start their journey with Bamboo Shoot Foundation, with Ocean Recovery Alliance, to start educating them and guiding them with systems to change over time their community, making it nicer for them. Inland Ocean Festival almost being a yearly reminder, a celebration of all that work that the communities have been doing around their waste management. In Kampong Pluk for the last 3 years, the festival has been developing every year. The first year when I went, having those lanterns, school children going out, everyone's welcome to come and pick up any extra trash that we see, plant some trees. This year, being in 2 different locations, so Kampong Kleang and Kampong Pluk. Also with the team here, Hieng, making an Angkor Ru show. It's a storytelling show based around plastic education with the 5-meter propeller that we've got to make here at Smiling Creatives. With Jay and Juniper documenting the process and doing the interviews, showing this to the local communities in Kampong Kleang and Kampong Pluk. And this year, with Smiling Creatives involved in this, creating the entangled propeller. The symbol for the Inland Ocean Festival for this year being the propeller. Smiling Creatives getting to make this 5-meter structure. The idea of it representing that 70 hours wasted by the boatmen that are now being educated not to throw their waste back into the river, but into a spot. The propeller being designed to hold the waste that would typically be caught up in the real propellers on these boats. Having Dam, a sweet elderly lady here in Siem Reap, showing her traditional techniques of weaving rattan to create the shape and the basket, and then transporting it all the way to Kampong Kleang, a 2-hour drive, going through the beautiful houses and fishing villages in which now it sits. It's a great reminder of change can happen amongst community engagement. And with Inland Ocean Festival almost being an inspiring event for other communities, starting in Kampong Pluk, now going on to Kampong Kleang, and I'm sure growing from there. To have officials, to have businesses look at it and be able to support something like this is a great benefit for Cambodia. So we welcome you to the Inland Ocean Festival, Kampong Pluk on the 6th and 7th of June, and the main event at Kampong Kleang on June 26th and 27th. Thank you and come along. Bye.